Hello friends, in this video let us discuss what is meant by segment and what is meant by sector, how to find out the area of segment. Okay, let us discuss all these topics in this video. First thing, what is meant by a segment? Suppose when you consider this as a circle like this, when you consider this as a circle, tangent means what? When a straight line it passes through only one point of contact, then that line is called tangent to the circle. So when a straight line passes through only one point of contact, then this straight line is tangent to the given circle. This we have learnt till now. So what is meant by segment? So when you consider this as a circle here, if a straight line intersects the circle in 2 points, then what is this line called? This line L is called secant to the circle with the center O. This also we have learnt it in the introduction video, correct? So this line intersects the circle in 2 points, let them be A and B. Then this line L is called secant to the circle. This line is called secant to the circle with the center O. So when you see here, AB is the chord of the circle and this area is called segment. Okay, this area is called segment. Segment is covered by an arc and a line. Okay, segment is covered by the arc and a line. Line is nothing but here it is chord, right? So segment is covered by an arc and a chord. Clear? So that is the definition of a segment. So what is meant by segment? A segment is the region bounded by an arc and a chord. Okay, this region is called the segment of the circle with center O. So in the same way, what is meant by sector? Sector is nothing but, when you see, this OAB, this entire part is called the sector, correct? It's nothing but, sector can be defined as triangle OAB. Here it is a triangle here. So triangle OAB plus AB segment is called the sector. Is called the sector of the circle. Clear? This is the difference between segment and the sector. Okay. So segment means what? It is the region bounded by an arc and a chord. That's it. So what is meant by sector? It's nothing but the sum of triangle plus segment is called the sector. So that is the difference between sector and the segment. So now I have taken here 3 different triangles. So segments will come of 3 types. One is minor segment, other one it is semicircle, and the last one it is major segment. So let us deal with each of them. Okay, let's move on further. So when you see here, I have taken 3 different circles. So the shaded part is called as what? Just now I told you. What is this shaded part is called segment. Correct? This shaded part is called segment. So this, let us consider this as a figure sub figure 1, and this is sub figure 2. This is sub figure 3. Clear? So when you see here in the first figure, when you see the segment here, it is a minor segment. Okay? Because this L is a secant to the circle and AB is the chord. So this is the minor segment. And when you see, this is a semicircle covering half of the portion of the circle. So this is called a semicircle. Okay. First is minor segment and the second one it is a semicircle and the third one it is a major segment. When you see here, this line, it intersects the circle into 2 parts. The small shaded part is called minor segment and the other part, when you see here, the other part is shaded in the third figure. It's nothing but this is a major segment. Clear? So how to find the area of the segment? So this segment area, how can we find? That is what we are going to deal now with the help of an example. See friends, here I have taken one circular paper, so with the center O. So now what will I do here? to find out the area of the segment, I am going to do this practically. So what will I do? I will just fold a part of paper such that folded part becomes chord. See here, I have folded this part. Okay, folded this part such that here, when you see, let us write this folded part as AB. Okay, this as AB. So here this AB becomes, when you shade this part, I will show you. I'll just shade it and I will show you now. Yeah, you can see here I have just shaded this part. First thing, I have folded this circular paper part of it, which is less than the diameter, so that the chord AB is formed. So after that, I have shaded the region which is bounded by the arc and the chord. Okay, this becomes the segment. This shaded part is nothing but the segment. So now how to find the area of the segment? So it's nothing but, next step what will I do here? I will just fold the circular paper into two halves such that you can see here. Okay, I have just folded it into two parts such that you can see here from the point B. I will show you once again. See here, I have folded this into half from the center O and B such that when you see here, let me name this point as C. Okay, this C and B will become what? It becomes a diameter. Okay, in the next step what will I do? Taking a base as the O again. So in the same way how we did BOC as the center, this is the center here, BC forms the diameter. In the same way, making O as center and make AD as the diameter. Let us do that now. See, I will show you. In the same way, put it into half. Yeah, you can see here. Yes, just a minute, I will show you. You just need to put it into two equal halves. Yeah, see, I am dealing with the single hand, so that's why it's a bit difficult for me, but you can do this practically. Okay, now it's clear, right? See, from the point B also we have taken like this. So here, when you see, yes, when I turn like this A and D, let me name this point, end point on the circle as D. This AD becomes diameter with the center O. In the same way, when you see here, with the circle with center O, this BC forms the diameter. So here, this is the activity which was given in your textbook. Please go through that. When you see, so this chord is less than its diameter. So how to find the area of the segment? Why did I fold it and why did I put these points as C and D? I will show you now. Because how to find the area of the segment AB means nothing but, in the next step what will I do? Join OA like this. The folded part which we did know, just join the dotted line like this. Okay. With the circular paper, see here what did I do? First, I have folded it like this and I have shaded the segment part. Later, I have taken B as the base. I have just folded the circular paper into two equal halves such that BC becomes the diameter. In the same way, take A as the base and take AD as the diameter. So now you'll get the two folds. One is from O to A and the other one is from O to B. Just join the two lines, dotted lines. So when you see here, how to find the area of the segment AB is nothing but area, this is called OAB. This entire thing is called area of sector. Okay, the portion covered under OAB, this entire thing is called area of the sector, but we want only area of the segment, correct? So here what will I do? From O to A it is called radius and from O to B also it is called radius. Let us for suppose think that the angle formed at O will be x degrees. Okay, let us think that the angle formed at O is x degrees. So here what will I do? How to form the, how to find the area of the segment? Only this part we want, right? Now I will show you the derivation. How can we get it? See here. Area of the circle formula is what? Area of circle is pi r square. This we know, right? So I am showing you again with the same example. See, it is the derivation is very simple once you understand the concept. Okay. Area of circle is what? It is pi r square. But we know that this entire circle, angle in a circle is how much it is? It is 360 degrees, because when you see here, the angle formed in a circle at center, it is 360 degrees. So for 360 degrees it is pi r square. But we want only the area of the sector. Only for this entire portion I am going to find it now. So here we have assumed that the angle formed at the sector is x degrees, right? For 360 degrees it is pi r square. For x degrees how much it becomes? Just do the cross multiplication. So x into pi r square equals to 360 degrees into area of sector. Why did I write area of sector? Because pi r square is nothing but area of circle. So here I am going to find out the area of sector. Okay, area of sector. It means what? What can I do? I will send this 360 to the left hand side. It becomes x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square equals to area of sector. Clear? So here what did I tell? Just understand the concept. I am telling you very slowly and repeating again. See here. First, in a circle, what is the angle in a circle? 360 degrees. For 360 degrees, the area is pi r square. So to find out the area of sector formula, what did I do? For 360 degrees, it is pi r square. I want only for x degrees. Since the angle formed at sector is x, we have assumed it. So what is the area of sector? Area of sector is nothing but, I just did the cross multiplication, nothing apart from that. Okay. So x into pi r square equals to 360 into area of sector. Therefore, area of sector is nothing but x by 360 into pi r square. This is clear, right? So this is the area of sector. When you see here, this entire area we got, but we want only area of segment. So in the next step, what can we write? Area of sector equals to, what does the sector comprises of? I told you in the starting, right? It comprises of triangle plus segment. So what does it be? It becomes area of triangle OAB plus area of sector equals to area of triangle OAB plus area of segment AB. Area of segment AB. But we need only this area of segment, right? So next step, what does it comes? I'll send this to the left hand side so that it becomes area of sector minus area of triangle OAB equals to area of segment AB. Clear? So what is area of sector? We have derived it as x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. This we don't know. Okay. Area of triangle OAB. This we don't know. That is equals to area of segment AB. So this is what the formula. What is the formula? It's nothing but x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB is nothing but the formula for area of the segment. What is the area of the segment here? Area of the segment AB. Okay. See here, what will I do? For the circle, this is the circle, right? This is the circle. We have found out the area of the segment. So here, area of the segment means it will go like this. So we want this to be covered. So what will I do? I will take any point on the circle like AP. So area of the segment APB will write. Okay. So what will I do here? Area of sector equals to area of triangle OAB. See here, area of sector equals to area of triangle OAB plus area of segment ABP. I can write ABP or APB, anything is same. So what will I write here? APB. Here also area of segment APB, area of segment APB. Okay. So why did I take here P means because area of segment AB means it becomes AB is the card, right? So here for any point I am taking on the circle, you can take it here also, not an issue. Here or here, it's up to you. But here I am taking P here such that APB means this entire part it will come. So area of segment formula is what? Area of segment APB equals to what can we write here? The same formula write it here. It's nothing but x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. So this is the formula. Clear? This is the formula derivation. So just let me give you a brief explanation now. Okay. So first thing, what is the difference between a sector and a segment? I told you that when a secant of a circle passes through the circle, it intersects the circle into 2 points, that is A and B. So here segment is nothing but this shaded part which is covered by the arc and a straight line. This segment, this shaded part is nothing but the segment of the circle. What is meant by sector? Sector is nothing but OAB, this entire part. Okay, OA, when you see, let me put it here a point P. Okay, this OAPB is sector. What is segment? Only APB is a segment. APB is segment. Okay, so sector is nothing but triangle OAB plus segment APB. That is the major difference I have shown you in this video regarding segment and a sector. After that, I have just drawn 3 circles according to your textbook only. I have followed everything. Okay. So whatever the shaded part, this shaded part is called the minor segment and this shaded part is called the semicircle and this is called the major segment. Clear? So till now this is clear. So now I am going to derive the formula for area of the segment. So how we are going to find out this shaded part area? So for this, what did I do here? I have just taken the formula which we know that area of a circle formula is what? It is pi r square. So in a circle, usually when you see here, this is a circle here. The angle formed at center, it will be how much? It is 360 degrees. So for 360 degrees, it is pi r square. But I want only the area of one part of it. See, this is the circle I have taken. This is the circle I have taken for explaining purpose. I have taken this circular paper. So what did I do? I have just folded part of it to make the AB as the chord. Okay, to make AB as the chord of a circle. After that, I have just folded it into equal halves, making B as the base and A as the base. Okay, such that BC becomes the diameter and AD also becomes the diameter. BC and AD becomes diameter. So after that, what did I do? On the folded parts, you can see here, you can see the folded thing. So from the center O through the folded part, I have drawn a dotted lines to A and B. Okay. So I have assumed that the angle at sector, the angle at O is x degrees. Since this OAPB is a sector, so here area of sector, I am assuming this as OAPB. See, for 360 degrees it is pi r square. For x degrees, for area of the sector, x is nothing but area of sector. So what is the area of the sector here? So I just did cross multiplication. It becomes x by 360 into pi r square equals to area of the sector. So this is the formula for area of the sector OAPB. Okay, this OAPB forms the sector. So area of the sector OAPB equals to, what is the sector comprises of? I told you in the starting here, it comprises of triangle plus segment. So write the same thing here. Area of sector OAPB equals to area of triangle OAB plus area of segment APB. Area of segment APB. Clear? So based on this, we have derived the area of sector OAPB as how much? x by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB equals to area of segment area of segment APB. This is the formula derivation. So we just got the area of segment APB formula. Only this shaded part is APB. Why I have taken here point? Because when you see here, when you mention area of segment AB, only it becomes the chord. So I have just taken any point. You can take it either here or here. It's up to you. So just for explaining purpose, area of the segment APB equals to this shaded part area is derived by this formula. It is x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. So this is the formula derivation. Based on this concept, we are going to solve the problems in the coming exercise. So I hope the video is clear. So in case you like this video, in case you like the explanation, please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Please share it to your friends as your exams are approaching. So I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.